So this is that fresh regrind I just did, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to sharpen that single bevel. I am going to put a small bevel on the edge right here. I'm going to come up onto there. I'm going to cut it down. Come back. I'm going to look and see how big of the bevel I've got. I'm happy with that. I've got a nice tip. If you wanted to pronounce the tip, you do want to make sure you use a little water. Tips and thin areas will get hot. That looks pretty nice. And then I'll just take and I'll cut that burr back to the back. You could also do this step with a whetstone. And then I'm going to come into that belt edge leading one more time. I like to do it twice. Brush the burr down, cut the burr off. Then I'll come to the stropping step. I'll go flat on the back, cut in. Now a sushi knife like this, or a single bevel, I will always give it that extra little touch. Okay, let's do a quick paper test. This paper's weird. Okay, quick test. There we go. Okay, that's it. Thanks you guys for watching. Aloha. Hey!